How to get rich with crypto within the next 2 years. I explain you based on this historical Bitcoin model. Also explain you exactly what is a Bitcoin halving. And we will speak for our daily and hourly traders about today's Bitcoin price. If you appreciate this video, hit the like button, brother. I would appreciate if we reach 500 likes. Let's begin. What is actually Bitcoin halving? A Bitcoin halving event occurs when the reward for mining Bitcoin transaction is cut in half. Bitcoin miners getting rewarded for solving a complex mathematical problem to verify your transaction if you're sending a Bitcoin. Okay, and this reward's getting every 4 years cut in half. This is the reason why Bitcoin will top out in several years at 21 million. Based on this information, I explain you this historical pattern and how we can take advantage of it. So we see this green field. Always when this green field starting, a Bitcoin halving occurs. You see here, it was 2012, then it was 2016, 2020, and now it will happen next year, 2024. And always when the Bitcoin halving occurs, we see Bitcoin running to the upside because the supply decreases but the demand increases. It's same happening with Rolex, for example. If you want to go to Rolex and buy dated, you can, because they're artificially not producing as much as the demand, and this is the reason why the price of Rolex increasing on the secondary market. The same you can imagine if every taxi driver driving a Rolls-Royce, the Rolls-Royce will be worth nothing. It's only worth something because only a few people can afford a Rolls-Royce. The same is happening with Bitcoin. So now that we know that we will see after the next halving 2024 a run to the upside of the Bitcoin price, we can take advantage of it right now because we have 1 year approximately to invest in our favorite altcoins. Don't rush right now full all in your favorite altcoin because we are still expecting that the price could drop to the downside. This is not the bull market yet because as we've seen based on the history, the bull market begins always after every halving. You see, and what we see in every bear market is relief rally to the upside, and this is the relief rally which is happening right now. So how high this will go, nobody knows, but for sure we will see some more cooling down. So 1 year we have time, and how we can take advantage of it, we can dollar cost averaging in our favorite altcoin. This is how we can make a fortune in the next 2 years. Why I say in the next 2 years? Because we have 1 year time to invest in our favorite altcoin, and that the bull run will be for approximately 1 year. So we have exactly 2 years. 1 year we are building our portfolio, and 1 year we are just waiting and watching the portfolio exploding. For example, yesterday I wrote you in our Telegram group, I bought IDEX, FXS, ARB, GMX, DYDX, SNX, SUI, but I did not go all in this altcoins. I just bought it step by step. So what you can do if you have, for example, $1,000, invest every month $100. Don't put all the money all in one day. So if the Bitcoin is dropping down, we are buying. If Bitcoin is going up, we are buying. In this case, we are getting the best average price of our favorite altcoin. And why I'm showing it on Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is the leading indicator for altcoins. If Bitcoin is dumping, altcoins crushing. If Bitcoin is pumping, altcoins usually outperforming Bitcoin. Therefore, we have to concentrate to watch on Bitcoin, what Bitcoin does, in order to understand what altcoins doing. So basically the game how to get rich with crypto is after Bitcoin is stopping out, we are waiting for approximately 1 year. This is how long it takes approximately until Bitcoin is bottoming out or until we are more near the bottom than the top. We are starting to invest at these levels on dollar cost averaging the whole time in our favorite altcoin. This is how we are getting the best price. In the bull market after the halving, approximately a half year, because 1 year approximately last a bull market, we start approximately after a half year, we started doing the same what we did in the bear market. We start to sell altcoins which we bought in the bear market, but step by step also on dollar cost averaging, we are selling our altcoins. And this is the reason how we are not catching the top, nobody catching the top or the bottom, but on the dollar cost average, this is how we make a fortune. You have always to play the long-term game in order to build your wealth. 2 years is nothing. In a second I come to today's Bitcoin price, but summarized, we have exactly 1 year right now until we can accumulate our favorite altcoins, because the most of the altcoins right now still 90% down. This is an amazing opportunity for 10x at least our wealth. Sometimes 20 or 30x. If you want to see which altcoins I'm buying, you can see it in our private group. For hourly day traders, you get here also daily trading signals. On Solana we did yesterday 60%, on DOT we did yesterday 56%. How you can join it, just open the description, click the link down below, open your Telegram, then you see this crypto trading bot which will guide you through how to join the Telegram group. You can pay in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, USDC, BUSD, or you can pay with PayPal. It's $100 per month and you can cancel every month. Now let's come to our day and hourly traders. We see Bitcoin dumped yesterday, even though the PPI, as I wrote you, came even lower than expected at 2.3%. The reason for this dump was US regulatory crackdown pressures crypto biggest market makers. Two of the biggest institutional liquidity providers scaling back their crypto trading business in the US. This is the most stupid thing what US right now doing, because they're trying to crack down crypto with some regulatory stuff, and we need regulatories, right? But they're very afraid that the dollar is losing their dominance. And it's happening not only because of crypto, it's happening because of Iran is trading with Russia in yuan, for example, and all these commodities are switching from the dollar to yuan or to the ruble. This is what we will speak in another video. This is what I explained you also in the last videos. But also they're trying to crack down crypto. They cannot crack down crypto because all they do is that all the crypto companies are moving away from US to, for example, UAE, because UAE is one of the most welcome countries for crypto. For example, Coinbase is moving right now to UAE. So this caused yesterday the dump. And if you watch my videos, I told you as soon as we're breaking the monthly support, we can set a short position. If you set here the short to the daily support at 26,200, you made at the moment 5% profit. I would take here some profits. Yes, we can go even lower to the weekly support. If we're breaking here the daily support, you can set another short to 25,300, 3.4%. But be very careful right now. In my opinion, the last big support is the weekly support line at 25,300. This is the moment when I'm expecting that Bitcoin could here bounce again to the upside, because the S&P 500 looks very healthy. We're expecting that Bitcoin will go to 35,000 approximately. Actually, this is an amazing long opportunity, not a financial advice. So our price target is around 35k, let's say a little bit below 35k. And if we set our stop loss even below 22,000, we have still a risk reward of 2, which is amazing. So it depends. Are you going right now in a swing position, or are you waiting here for a short position until we're breaking the daily 2 support? This depends on you. Are you an hourly trader? Are you a day trader? Are you a swing trader? This is what you have to decide yourself. If you want, you can get on Bybit right now a $1,000 free long or short position. Click the link and then you can choose between a long or short position. Only 99.38% are left, and then you can get 1,000 USDT position for free. Tell me which topics I should explain you in the next videos. This would be a pleasure for me, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for everyone hitting the subscribe button. I recorded this video yesterday for you and I deleted accidentally, so this is the reason why yesterday no video coming, but I recorded a new one for you, bratans. I was very frustrated yesterday, but today I did it for you and I hope you like it. If you understand what we talked about, then you can for sure at least 10x your money. So even if you have $1,000 only, you can make of 1,000 10,000, and in the next bull market 100,000. This is how you're building wealth, not all these fucking Ponzi schemes where you make in one day $1 million. It's not possible, bratans. So stay safe. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later.